That's right, guys. We got plant mail today. I am so excited. So it's a good day today because we got plant mail and I don't even know what's in here. So this is a mystery unboxing, which is always so exciting. These plants were gifted to me from Plentiful Minds. Plentiful Minds is located here in Canada, but more specifically, it's the Ottawa Gatineau region. Sorry, I don't know why my brain wasn't working there. So my dear Eloise, who is the owner of this plant shop, reached out to me and was like, hey, do you want some cool plants? And I'm like, yeah. So here they are. Do you know what? I think I'm very excited. Okay, I can't focus right now. I'm like sweating a little bit. Okay, I guess here we go. So specifically in this box, we have Hoyas. Now, the reason why I'm excited is because I think the last time I bought a Hoya, it was probably May or June of last year. So it's actually been a full year since I got a Hoya. And so this is just extra exciting. I'm trying to remember if I got one in between. I don't think so. Okay, I had to check because it was bugging me. Yeah, I think it was the Variegated Polynuras that I got last. So who's excited? I feel like I need to adjust the camera. Okay, hold on. How's this? I think this is good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, sorry, I'm reading this paper. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, it says Kev. Kev, your mystery cutting bundle. Hoya edition is here. So exciting. Okay, there's a list of plants that are in the box. So I'll probably read this later. Okay. So here we are. Cute. So there's 3. Look how cute. Guys, come on. So that's their logo, Plentiful Minds. Can we take in this drawing? So cute. Kev heart and then the face. I think that's me. So there's 3 Hoyas in here. And when it comes to Hoyas, I'm very open with like any kind of Hoya. That's how much I love Hoya. Oh my god, everything's so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Thought it was food. I was like, I'm hungry. Okay. Ooh. Sorry, I'm also filming a reel right now. It's just throwing the packaging. I didn't even realize these leaves are beautiful. Okay, calm down, Kevin. Let's just do the one that releases first. Okay, this is the Hoya Australis outer variegated. Make sure that's what it is. Albomarginata. Okay, look at this. Okay, so like the Australis and also the Australis Lisa that I've grown, it has these round leaves and it just has this outer variegation. So, okay. Wow, hello. This is great because I just chopped down my Australis Lisa and so now I have like room to grow this one big. So that's exciting. Oh my god, hi. Okay, so these cuttings are not rooted. They're just like in this tube of water, which in my opinion is like the best. I don't like taking like cuttings out of whatever medium they're in because I always transfer these into pon or leca and I'm going to be potting these up. I know there's instructions, Eloise, but I think I'm just gonna put them in pon. Are you gonna yell at me? Don't yell at me. I am interested to see, you know, the outer variegation. I guess it would be similar to like the Polynura outer variegated that I have. So I guess it'll depend. I wonder if there's gonna be a chance there's gonna be like white. Obviously I don't want white leaves, but look at that. So beautiful. Leaves feel great. Fantastic. Love it. Okay, this one shook me. The leaves look so pretty. What is this one? Sorry. Do y'all remember from Lilo and Stitch was try to talk and then he's like, how? Do y'all remember that? Okay, no. And then the woman was like, dogs don't talk, sweetie. Okay, Hellwigiana. Is that it? Big leaves with sun stressing abilities. Okay. I know nothing about this one. Hellwigiana. Hellwigiana. Words are hard right now. Hellwigiana. Okay, I'm just gonna go with that. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. Okay, that makes me very excited because sun stressing, it looks really good on like the Hoya Sunrise, the Gunna Gadding. Y'all have seen that my cutest Porcelana is starting to sun stress and it kind of has a similar pattern to this one actually. Look at these leaves. They're so big. So exciting. So exciting. Wow. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm just Googling it. Y'all, when this plant gets full, it looks gorgeous. And that's obviously my plant. Oh my god, the sun's stressing. The leaves get so red. Okay, I'm so excited for this one. Are you kidding? Should I do pon or leca? Ooh, oh, it's hard. Okay, Okay, we'll get back to it. But yeah, the second one, the Hoya Hellwigiana. And I'm just looking at the Australis outer variegated, and yeah, some specimens, as they grow, they'll have these white or cream leaves. That's so exciting. Okay. Okay. Oh yay. Okay, the last one. Okay, this one, I need to see it's, I need to stop saying okay. I almost said it again, okay. Oh, I said it. Third one, the Hoya Fitchii. Fitchii? So just a cutting here. Okay. I feel like these leaves are very similar to my cutest porcellana. They look so similar. And I've seen pictures before and I'm like, are they related? I don't even know. I just looked up at the flowers. They're so pink. Oh my gosh, are they all pink? Oh, there's some yellow ones. That's fine. Oh my gosh, it'd be cool if you're pink. I mean, we'll never know. I mean, we'll know soon, not soon. I don't know. Wow, okay, even the yellow ones look nice. The yellow ones look pretty. Okay, I don't care. I literally know nothing about these Hoyas. Well, we're just gonna see. Oh my God, Fitchii. I'm struggling with these names. White veins with sunstress. This one too, that's cool. So it is like my cutest porcellana. Okay. Okay, again, Hoya Australis, Albomarginata, Hoya Hellwigiana, and then Hoya Fitchii. Oh my God, Eloise, I'm so excited. Do you know what I'm really excited about? Because y'all know I like to buy my plants small and just watch them grow into the beastuses. Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, okay, what do I do now? Okay, hold on. Okay, let me just read this. So in the box was a customized plant care sheet. So it does have a picture of the cuttings that are included in the box, brief description, and then ways to root the cuttings. So there's a section where it says how to moss root your cuttings, how to perlite root your cuttings, how to transfer cuttings if they're in water, moss, perlite, how do you transfer those into soil? And then there's a section, I love that. There's some secret growing tips at the end. So number one, Hoyas need light in all caps. Eloise, I like you. That is the first thing I say all the time about Hoyas. Okay, cute. This is really good information to have, especially when you're not like a Hoya person. So I also want to make this clear. Plantiful Minds is not specifically a Hoya shop. They sell aroids as well. And I was looking at their selection. They have a variety of syngoniums. They have monsteras. They have some syndapsis. And so I have a code. If you go to plantifulminds.ca and use my code Kevin15, y'all can get 15% off your purchase. I have decided, just for the rooting process, I might change my mind in the future, but I think I'm just gonna do pon. Honestly, in my opinion, I think rooting Hoyas in pon is the easiest. Perlite's also good. Moss is great. Leca's pretty hard, I would say. But yeah, I guess I'll go through some tips I have found useful through the years of like rooting Hoyas. So, okay, I'm gonna start off with the Australis Albomarginata. The very first thing is light. You need a ton of light for Hoyas specifically. Propagations in general, they need a lot of light in order to root. Your cutting won't root if you don't have enough light. I know it sounds like common sense, but it is definitely something that I think is missed a lot when it comes to propagating plants. Also, another big thing is the amount of hours of light. So I currently put all my props under a grow light for 14 hours a day. So they turn on at 8 a.m. and then they turn off at 10 p.m. And I have them real close. I want to say I usually prefer having them under grow light at about 3,000 foot candles. I don't know if that's overkill, but that's kind of what I've done. Okay, I'm taking the cutting, putting it in, and I'm filling to just under where the node is. It's hard to tell, but there are, future Kevin zoom in, there are aerial roots right under the node. So I really want those ones to root in the pon. So I'm hitting right under the node. Second most important thing, you have to keep these cuttings wet. And the reason why I say this is when a stem comes in contact with something dry, it's not going to push out a root in that area. It'll always seek out a place that's wet in order to push out a root. Oh, it looks so cute in this cup. So specifically with pon as a substrate, pon likes to hold on to moisture, but it also ensures that there are air pockets between the media. Okay. I think I like that. So exciting. Hello. I like to fill enough water to hit almost the top of the pond. The reason for that is, again, I've said this before, it needs to be super wet for it to root. Y'all have to remember that you can propagate Hoya cuttings in water and they'll root. So what's the difference? I like to keep them in clear cups so I can monitor the root growth. And then once I see some roots, that's when I usually fill the reservoir to about like third to halfway up instead of like all the way up. Also moving forward, feel your leaves. Feel the leaves, familiarize yourself with how they feel so you'll know if it's dehydrated. So there's always a question mark about fertilization at this stage. A lot of people try to use rooting hormone in the form of like rapid start maybe, and I've done in the past, but right now really all it needs is water. So I'm just gonna put plain water. Pond, if it's new, it does have slow release fertilizer in it. Okay, so it's really hard to show y'all. The water level is all the way up here. Now, there are other ways to root a Hoya if you don't want to do this. A lot of people use prop boxes because just the ambient humidity around the plant will encourage root growth in case like part of the stem is not submerged in the substrate. Y'all know my opinion about humidity. I'm not a fan of using prop boxes, so I'm probably gonna put a grow light right over here. And just, yeah, it's so exciting. Okay, next one. The Hellwigiana? I'm gonna keep saying it. Hellwigiana. Is it Gianna? Gosh, words right now. I also like using clear cups because you can clearly see if the pond is wet or not. You can see where the water level is. I've used self-watering pots that had a reservoir before, but there have been times where it's completely dried out and I haven't noticed. So that's why I've kind of switched everything to like the clear cup system. So we're at the top right over here and I'm just gonna fill it up with water. Okay, and then the Fitchii. Oh. There are roots. Oh, you spilled. Where did you spill? Okay, yeah, so there are roots already. So I'm gonna, again, cut the rubber off. So I'm just using these and just carefully freeing it. Future Kevin, zoom in. Look at these roots. There have been times in the past where I've had a hard time trying to stabilize the cutting if the leaves are going out at each side and stabilizing it in the pond. And I just kind of hold the top of the cutting and just fill it, shake it a little bit so it disperses around the stem. And here we are. Okay, so exciting. Okay. This is gonna be great, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in this bin. I do have some Hoya Matilde splashes over here that I propagated recently. And yeah, ooh, it's falling. Do you see that? Girl wants to run. So this is usually where I like to propagate my Hoyas because it's the shelf that has the grow light the closest to the plants here on the shelf. And I think this might be too far actually. Let me get my light meter, y'all. So it might be enough, but I don't like taking any risk. Any risk when it comes to rooting any props. We're like at 1500. 1300. I want it to be higher. Okay, I have an idea. I don't know if this is gonna work. I put a box under. Okay, now we're hitting about 3000. 2500 to 3000. Okay, I like that. And again, I do this specifically for Hoyas. So I wouldn't do this with like a Monstera. I wouldn't do this with a philodendron. That high of a light level, the leaves will bleach, the leaves will burn. Hoyas can actually take a lot, and Hoyas on average need more light than those other plants. So an example, I'm gonna give you examples. So these are getting less light now, but these are all my Hoya props. So we have some Crassipetiolatas, we have some outer variegated, we have some Novagos. My Matilde Splash is right under here. All my Hoya Polynuras over here. My outer variegated actually a year ago came to me with 0 roots and I did the same method and look at her now. I have a mama and then some props over here. So that's cute. Same with that one, same with that one. And luckily, I've had no casualties, which is amazing. Using that same strategy, but a lot of the other ones are in perlite. And yeah, that's kind of my method to like root plants. I am so excited to watch these grow. Like really excited. I want to thank Eloise from Plantiful Minds. Also, Plantiful Minds will have a booth at the Botanical Expo coming up on June 11th. And I bought my ticket. So I am going to the Botanical Expo. So if y'all are going and you see me, say hi. Eloise, I'm so excited to meet you. And again, if you use my discount code Kevin15 at plantifulminds.ca, you will get 15% off your purchase. And okay, y'all, I guess that's it. I know today was supposed to be a favorites video, but timing wise, the box came today. I was like, okay, gotta open this plat anyway. So favorites video will be coming out on Monday. Again, I have a Patreon, so I want to thank everyone everyone in my Lecca Drop tier and my Strawberry Shake tier. But a very special thanks to those in my Lecca Drop. I went like this and I said Lecca Drop. I need to eat. Monstera, Burley Marks Flame tier, my Lobster Claws, Anne Supton, Crystal, Margot T, Rose Ramos, Stomer Croy, Corlin Walters, Gina Alexandra, Carlos Holling, Blaine B, Sam Pennypacker, Daniel Wilcox, Casey Gross, Francesco, Dana Nelson, Linda Marks, Soda Rocks, Remy Pavila, Simone Elizabeth, Lisa Mata, Danny Alley, Marnie McCallum, Gerda, Stephanie McGinnis, Kendra Prum, Ryan Jones, Alicia D, Courtney Evans, and Kiki in the Garden. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the very end, thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!